Hey everybody, big welcome back. And today is another drone adventure, which I actually hadn't had one in a while. So today I was out and about, had to head out to Trenton to pick up some equipment. And on the way there, I noticed what I thought from the highway was like a mansion. And if you were driving by and saw what I saw, you probably think the same thing. So then on the way back, I kind of kept my eyes open for it. And when I saw it, I was like, ooh, take the exit. So I went ahead and I took the exit to get to the mansion. And anyway, you got to follow a couple of roads. And much to my surprise, when I got around to the other side to the road, I actually realized that it was all gated off, but I could see like construction equipment and stuff. So then I decided to send in my drone, and in doing the drone, that's when I got to see that there's actually like a business operating between the road and this. Like, so it seems to be like it might be all one part of the same property. I'm not really sure. But anyway, so it made it so unfortunately I couldn't get in because I was kind of thinking, oh, it would be sweet to, you know what I mean, go and explore it. But I was also on a real time crunch. I had to get back to town. So I didn't really have time anyway. So more or less it was just a recognizance mission. Um, but I was trying to figure out from like this video what the place was. I can't say if it was a mansion or like a senior's home or something. I don't know, maybe like an open custody jail, or like, as it seems to be that it's all rooms. Like, it just doesn't seem like it, and like, you know, once I saw the video, it didn't look like it was actually a house. But I guess it's really hard to say. Like, the only way to know would be to get in there and see what's going on. I kind of want to tell you guys where it is, but I realize I probably shouldn't because I don't want people going in and vandalizing it and being like, oh, we saw this guy's video. But if somehow you recognize this and you know of like some interior video or something, I would love to see it. Um, but, excuse me. Yeah, I have no idea what it is, but I just thought it was cool. Wanted to share that with you guys. Here's a little look around. You can see it's not far from the highway. And then I had like no battery in my drone. My drone was like almost dead. So like this, it was beeping at me about having to come back and shit. So, yeah, really, I had to kill the video there. That's all the battery power I had was, just that little bit. And, I end up stopping the recording and just snap a couple of pictures and I'm out of there. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.